we're going to show you around cabin number 6290 on the Carnival Venezia.
Before this cruise can get started, we do need you to check into your muster station. Your muster station assignment is noted on your boarding pass, so make sure you do check into your muster station. But I do have good news, and that is that your cabins are set and ready to go.
And the glass shower doors. Have a bunch of shelves. Oh, look, there's me. There's your heating element. And they have some hooks around. There's 3 hooks for all your good stuff when you're going out the door. A lot of storage space here. Drawers. There's your safe. There's your shelvings. Your fridge. There's a little chair right there. They have all kinds of USB and 120 volts. Yippee! Woohoo! Okay, and there's a big couch there with a nice table. And of course it's just me, so I have this big old bed to myself. And it is a balcony room. I love the Venezia. This is my favorite ship. And here's my balcony. Basic balcony, but look, there's New York, New York. So this does have that thing down there. If you look, you'll see it. But that's my balcony. And this is home for the next 14 days. I hope you enjoyed the cabin tour of room 6290 on the Carnival Venezia. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my videos. And remember, it's up to you to make it fun and make it yours. We'll see you the next time.